What do we do when our toilet no longer works as advertised? My name is Sam, and I'll give you a step-by-step instructions on how to replace your toilet. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you turn on all your notifications. The first thing that we want to do is shut off the supply water to the toilet. It's going to be right at that angle stop on the bottom left as you're looking at your toilet. It's going to be right up against that wall. The second step you want to do is remove all the water from the toilet. So go ahead and hit that flush lever and hold it open until all the water drains out of the tank. For other people, after that part, my preference is I have a suction pump that I pull the water out of the bowl and the tank just to make sure there's no water that's going to be dripping as I'm removing that toilet. Third step is what we're going to get ready for is removing the toilet from the base. So you want to remove the mounting bolts and disconnect the supply line from the tank. The next step we're going to take is the transition from where the toilet's sitting to where you're going to be putting it into a vehicle or a dumpster to throw it away. Now mind you, these toilets can be heavy, so if you're lifting it by yourself, make sure you lift with your legs. After disposing of the old toilet, you're going to want to put a new wax seal around the closet flange in order to set the new base on there. Now there's different ways you can do this. You can either take the base of the toilet and set it on the closet flange, or build the toilet before you set it. The next step is going to be putting the toilet tank on the base bowl and connecting it by the mounting bolts. And your final step is connecting that supply line and turning the water on to ensure there's no leaks, and testing the system. Also, while testing the system of the tank, you want to ensure that the water level inside the toilet tank is proper for a complete flush. And finally, once everything's tested, make sure you install the lid properly. And for the toilet installment, before you buy the toilet, ensure that you take measurements so you know exactly what type of rough-in and the height of the toilet. If you would like, you can call us at Climate Control Experts and we'll do all the hard work for you.